All right, my Amazon family. Today I have a new video for you, but this is not going to be one that I'm going to actually be able to show you how to set up. It's just going to be an unboxing video. Special thanks to the company for sending this to me. This is actually, well, you'll see on the overhead rig. All right, so absolutely nothing to show you on the box here, but when we open this up, check out the foam. We have a nice set of installation instructions showing you a picture, essentially what this item will do. Very easy for you to be able to clean a glass with this. I saw one of these when I worked at a place one time and have wanted one ever since. So included in the packaging for the unboxing is a metal hose, which is great because you have a lot less to worry about in terms of leaks when you have a metal hose. You've got a wrench that's made for something, probably to tighten a certain part that would only really fit this. Not entirely certain what this piece is, but it's vital. And that's the plastic piece that goes on this. This is where your water will run into, and when you push that glass down, all of these little holes will have the water spray out of them with this to kind of make it a little easier to depress that down. So that's how that works. Very, very cool, I think. And then this is just the metal tray. This will set like this, and then this part will come through here like so, with this part already screwed on to where when you depress this and you have it hooked up, the water comes out and cleans your cup. So there you go. That's everything that you get inside the box. If I knew plumbing, I would gladly show you guys how to do this, but I'm actually gonna have to pay a plumber to come out and install this for me. But this is everything that comes inside of the box when you order this item. Very good quality, all metal. Nothing feels cheap or like it's gonna break. So definitely 2 thumbs up. Hope you like the unboxing, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.